So, when people hear that the city of Calimesa regulates mobile home rents, the reaction tends to be mixed. Some are surprised. Wait, the city sets rents? While others are frustrated. Why can't the city just deny the rent increases? Both of those responses are understandable. Mobile home rent stabilization is one of the most complex and often misunderstood areas of local government. So today, I want to walk through how Calamesa's ordinance actually works, why it exists, and how we apply it. And just as importantly, I want to explain what the city can and can't do under that law, because what a lot of people assume are policy choices are actually legal requirements. Now, to understand Calamesa's mobile home rent stabilization ordinance, we have to go back to a time before Calimesa was even a city. Before December 1st, 1990, the date Calimesa officially incorporated, this area was governed by Riverside County. And Riverside County had its own mobile home rent stabilization ordinance in place. That county ordinance, adopted in the early 1980s, created a mobile home rent review commission and established procedures for reviewing rent increases in mobile home parks located in the unincorporated county. It was one of the earliest in Southern California. Back then, mobile home living was a significant part of the local housing market, particularly for seniors and residents on fixed incomes. Rent spikes in mobile home parks were creating real financial pressures, and the county's ordinance was designed to keep space rents stable while allowing park owners to earn a fair and reasonable return. When Calimesa incorporated in 1990, it adopted Riverside County's code as its own, including that rent stabilization framework. It was a practical decision. Adopting the county code meant continuity. The new city wasn't starting from scratch. It simply was inheriting the same rules that were already applied to local parks. And that's how Chapter 9.05 of the Calimesa Municipal Code came to be. Over time, the city has refined and amended it, most recently through Ordinance 410, adopted earlier this year, but its roots trace back to that original county ordinance. It's also worth noting that around the same time, our neighbor to the north, the city of Yucaipa, incorporated in 1989, and one of the driving issues there was a strong public desire to implement mobile home rent stabilization. So this was a regional issue, not just a Calimesa-specific issue. The difference is that Calimesa didn't need to create a new ordinance from scratch. The county already had one, so when we incorporated, it became part of our own municipal code.